Hello, my name is Professor White. I probably sent you an email and I told you to watch this video. And you're kind enough to click on it and watch it. Now, you got this email because you're probably taking one of our 3 classes. And I just went in there and I wanted to intercept you and I wanted to help you out. Now, you are probably signed up for 351, 353, or 253, or you're kind of feeling uneasy with math. You never liked it. Maybe you liked it, but it's difficult for you. Oh, you hate word problems. What's the point for those? So if any of this is true, I would like you to go and access Blackboard from the IVC site and click Math 350 for username and password and take a diagnostic test. Okay? So let me do that for you. So what you do, you just go open your browser and you go here, Blackboard. This is the IVC site, ivc.edu. You go to Blackboard. It says, what do you want? So you're going to enter Math 350, just like that, lowercase. Math 350, lowercase. You're going to log in. All right. And you're going to see a class in there. This is a generic test, so it's not going to go anyplace or be recorded or whatever. If somebody else takes that, they enter the same username, your record is gone. So this is for your use. Click on this. And I have that cute little boy in there. And click on the diagnostic test. And it will take you self-diagnostic test. If you don't like doing things, by clicking, you can do this. Just open this. It's a PDF. And then here's the key. And you can see which ones you are missing. Okay, you can do this. Watch. You can open this up and take the test, paper, pencil. Okay? And what is this? So just put your answer right here. And then go back. Did you do it right? I don't know. And check your answer. Okay, so question 1, answer D. Question 2, answer A, blah, 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 blah. And it tells you in color in here what area that question is taken out. If you miss a bunch of answers here, you should go and sign up for Module A. You miss a bunch of answers here, Module B. Bunch of answers here, C. So you got the point. All right, so let's go back. Or you can just take it interactively here. You can do either way. And you say continue. And then you just bubble these things. And try to do them because it beats the purpose if you do them with a calculator. Okay? So you do this for 40. It's going to take you, I don't know, a while. And save and submit. And then you're going to go, okay, well, what did I do? How did I do? Oops. Okay. It's going to come and review it. It says, for example, you missed question 1. The answer was this, and you said this. That means I recommend that you take Module A, whole numbers, study reading, writing of whole numbers, because you're shaky with them. So you got the point. So this diagnostic test is for you, okay? So let's go and find out. So this is what I'm telling you to do. Just go in there, enter that generic name, and just find out for yourself where you need help. Now, here's another site. So some students in the past, we offered the modules every semester, did that. And it literally changed their lives. And you can click in here. And then you can find out. I just put 2 of them in there. These ladies were kind enough to volunteer to get their videos taken, and they are telling you their stories. If you go in there, some of them, they are teachers now, and this is from years ago, and they have a wonderful time teaching. But the problem was they could not pass the math portion of CBEST, okay? Or they were just, there are other students who want to be nurses, but they could not do the math portion of that test. So it's going to really, really help you if you take the modules. So these ladies are telling you and trying to convince you that you need to really take this seriously. So these are the success stories. There's kind of a nice, cheesy thing to put in there. All right. So what is the modules about? There are 8 of them. Each one is half a unit. So it's not expensive. Here are the ticket numbers. And it will go and review stuff that you're going to face all along while you take math. Okay? What you're going to do, but it's not all online, so you're not all by yourself. I'm there to help you out on Thursdays in B118 for you to do the work and just ask away and do your math homework or whatever between 2 and 3:50. For example, if you sign up for Module A with this ticket number via my site, you have to come 2 days. And the rest, you do it, you take a final exam, and it's not a letter grade. It will tell you pass or fail. And you can do it 3 times and actually pass it. You get college credit. You review all the material. But the catch is you need to sign up for these guys the first week of classes because of, you know, how our admissions work. And you need to ask for an APC if you kind of waited until like classes started. I have to send you an APC, and you have 2 days to finish it for August 28th. I don't want you to miss that. And I for sure know that you probably will need a lot of help in the fraction area, the percent area. Those are the areas that you're going to see a lot of word problems. And this one for sure, measurement and geometry. So, if you are one of my students, I'm teaching 351 this semester, and I will give you extra credit. And some professors do. You can just tell them, you know what, I'm taking those modules classes just to strengthen my math skills, and it's not going to affect my GPA because I'll get pass or fail, but can you please give me extra credit for your class? Some teachers do, some teachers don't. So if you're lucky, you are taking a class from a teacher who is going to give you extra credit. But worst case scenario, you're going to make the most of it and learn something. So I really, really recommend you take these guys. All right. Now, if you're taking these guys, you can stop the video now. If you don't want to do that, you don't want to just have anything to do with it. But if you are considering it, here's what I want you to do. Just go in there, ivc.edu, kind of find your way around the math lab. That's the best that you can do for yourself. To get there, you just have to go to academics, math, computer science, and engineering. You're going to go to mathematics, and you are going to go to, where is that? Math assessment test, Math Center. Okay, I was just whacking out. This is where you want to sign up. It is in 363. It's free, okay? And it's open even on Saturdays. There will be a teacher and a tutor to help you out, sometimes 2 tutors. I'm there sometime, and you can look at my schedule. I'll just show you where that is. So you can kind of come and get help from me. And I'm pretty patient, and I'll work with you. And so all you need to do is just go to room B363 and sign up and say, you know, I want to sign up. Help me sign up. All right? Now, that's that. If you want to go back to math page, I'll just show you. Here's faculty. If you want to find me, and this is where you go. My last name is Urbis White. You can go to my web page, and this will tell you exactly where I am at what time. Okay? I have a bunch of videos, and here's my schedule, and here it is. I am in the math lab during Monday and Wednesday 2 to 3, okay? And then I have a bunch of obstacles. If you're taking modules with me, you can come and just knock yourself out. I'll work with you, okay? All right, this is your Lifeline. My web page, I just showed you how to get there, but this is the web address. Okay. How are you going to get your modules done? The modules, I'll just have to show you. They are inside the Blackboard. You're going to come on to class on Thursdays. Remember, I just told you that you can do that. And the rest of the time, you're going to work on your own. what's inside the modules? There are videos, there are worksheets, there's help. That's what I'm trying to tell you, okay? So I'll show you one of the modules so that you can actually see it. You go to Blackboard. If you sign up for the modules, you sign up the first week, like I said, you enter your username and then your password. It's going to show up in your Blackboard account. And then you're going to go in there and look what it is. And you can actually go and do this. It's going to show up right here. You're going to go down. Let's say I'm doing something with the percents, okay? So just click. I just signed up for Module F, okay? Cool. You're coming to class for me to help you, but here it is. It tells you what to do. There is another orientation video and all that stuff, okay? You're going to sign a little contract, diagnostic test. You don't have to do this again because you already did it. And there are videos in there, okay? Here they are. The videos are here. There are handouts for the videos, and there are captions for the videos. Whoa, that's great. So you can also go to YouTube to watch the videos. Let me show you. That's an external URL. It says, you know, I can open this. And so I will just go and open it here outside Blackboard. Okay? And it says playlist. Let's say I want to watch Module F. Here we go, percents. Remember? That's what you're taking. Decimals and percents. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on it and put your headphones on in the math lab and watch this. It's really, really good. Okay? And it's captioned. It tells you what it is. It tells you. You can watch this several times. And then I'm writing. It's a video. All right. So, you got the point. All right. Let me close this. Okay. Very good. So, let me go back to Blackboard. I did that. Okay. I was in there. What was I saying? Okay. There are the videos in there. I was just showing you in Blackboard where things are. So let me go back. I kind of lost my place in there. Okay, let me go back to, oh, here it is. All right, very good. I'm back to Blackboard. Okay, this is the diagnostic test. No, that's not what I wanted. No, it looks like I just got out. So let me go back to Blackboard. And I was just looking, let's say, Module F. Okay? So let me go and get in there. So once you sign up for a module, oh, I am in the other account. Let me enter my account. You're going to have access to the modules. Let's say I'm taking percents. Okay? Cool. So you just go down. And let's say I'm looking at percents. All right, good. Now, like I said, you have videos. Okay, here are the deadlines and everything. Diagnosis you don't have to take. Videos are here. Contract are here. Handouts. Okay, so this is what's important. Worksheets. When you click on it, applications of percents, what you have in there, when you click on it, there's a worksheet. So you watched the video on that already. So you just click on the worksheet. It's going to open up. But I recommend that you print this out. You see, I'm kind of like working with you. What is 10% of $12? So I'm telling you how to do this. And I'll be telling you in class we're going to do work together with amount, base, and rate. And you figure it out and then you tell me what to do. And then you fill out this table on your own. Okay? Pretty good deal. And let's close these because I'm getting myself confused. All right. So you have the worksheet. And then you go back and you have to say, okay, what am I doing in terms of, all right. I want to see if I did it right. So you have to click on the key, and it says, here are the right answers. And if you don't get them right, what do? You just come and see me, and I'll explain it to you in person. Okay? Does that make sense? So, you're doing worksheets, worksheet key, and then this is like a little test. Did you learn what you were supposed to learn? And then here's your little test. And you just go and mark your test. And then you go at the bottom and see if you got it right. So you do this all by yourself, and you drill and drill and drill, and that will help you. So, you did all the worksheets. If you go in here, remember, you have it in different, this is again one module. You actually now are ready to try to take the final exam. To do that, you can do a final exam prep. It's like practice, and then you take the final exam. When you take the final exam, you get 70%, and then you pass. So if you are in my class, I go, yay, and then I give you extra credit for doing it. All right? So, let's go back, and that's what the modules are going to do for you. So you can come, and the access is via Blackboard. And let's go from the current slide. I showed you where that is. If there are any problems, this is the nice guy that you need to call, and here's the phone number, okay? If he's not there, there will be someone else from our IVC IT. Blackboard problems, access problems, username problems, you call him, all right? Orientation videos. If you miss any of this stuff, this one has like step-by-step orientations before you come to class on Thursday, the first time. I want you to get all this done so you're prepared. You know, you look where the videos are and all that stuff. Okay, so pretty much this is the sequence of things. You're going to, the orientation videos will tell you what you need to do. It's just, I just already told you. How do you access your module? How do you watch your video? How do you do your worksheets? How do you test yourself? How do you take the final exam? A little bit in detail. Actual videos are here, either on YouTube or inside Blackboard. If you have problems with Blackboard, you call Joe. And this is the sequence of things. You take the diagnostic test, you get a printout, you do the survey, blah, blah, blah. All that stuff it's just laid out. And you take the final exam. I mean, there's no reason for you to fail. Okay? None. To find out for yourself, just sign up for the modules, and then come to the first meeting on the first Thursday at 2 o'clock in B118. Once you sign up, and I gave you the ticket numbers, and you're going to come one more time, and you're done with Module A. Whole numbers, so you know everything to know about whole numbers, and then we're going to move to percents. And amazingly, you're going to find out, oh, you know what, this is really helping. It's going to go somewhat parallel to your 351 class, or you can jump in and out of the modules. Let's say you want to just take percents only, because that's where you're weak. You don't have to review all the whole numbers and stuff. You can do that and just come to 2 meetings when the percents are taking place. So, I am here to help you out in the math lab or via the modules. And if you sign up for them, just try to, if you're considering it, try to sign up before the classes start so you don't miss anything. And then I'll help you out, and you're going to be pretty successful in your actual class and in the modules themselves and have a good foundation. Hope to see you the first week.